Mm-mm. Good job. Look at Lucky playing with his Hot Wheels, huh? Say Hot Wheels. Yeah, Lucky. You're having fun. Here, let's have a race. Let's see who's going to win. Lucky versus Mommy. 1, 2, 3, go. Uh-oh. Looks like Lucky won. Yay. Lucky, you win. Huh? Yes, Lucky win. Here's the wheels. Go ahead. Play with your car. One fell. I'll get it for you, honey. There you go. He likes playing with his car. This is amazing. This is amazing. Oops. Here we go. This one is always falling. Let's please. Let's play with the blue one, please. Turn this way. All right. Want to try it again? All right. Go ahead. Good. Take a break. Let's take this hair out your face. You can't. All right, baby boy. Do it again. You want to see it go all the way around? Look. Whee! We're going to do them both together. Oops, one first. And one after that. Which one do you want to play with? The yellow one? Okay. You see, you put his paws on the yellow one. You like the yellow. It's a nice color, Lucky. Go ahead. Good job, Lucky. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You like your cars. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I see him looking at it. He's engaged in it. Could be from the colors too, you know. Those are his favorite colors, yellow and blue. All right. Do you want to play some more? Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Yay. Oops, oops. That one almost went again. That yellow one is hot, isn't it, Lucky? Look, Lucky. Yay. Lucky say yay. If you can look at his head, his little ear, as you see the cars moving. All right, different. Go here. That's the yellow one going again. Okay, good boy. I want to see your face now. Let's see your facial expression from that nice Hot Wheels racing cars. All right. Look, Lucky. Here, look at the car up here. Chip, 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 chip. Oh, look at that car. He's looking at the car. How cute. You want to play one more time, okay? All right. You do it. He's doing it himself. Smart. Don't make it fall, okay, honey? Here. Go ahead. Go ahead. Do it again. Good boy. Good boy. Let me help you. Place it there. Okay, y'all. Watch. He's doing it by himself. Oop, then he lost it. All right. Good job.